Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. We are outside Vida Cafe and this is my beautiful friend Uthman. He is studying
Janitorial studies.
Bam bam bam.
You won't stay for long. There's too many things on your mind. And I don't
It's a video. I'm not taking a photo. Hi guys, this is Nuran and this is Wasim. Nuran, we're waiting for you to ask Wasim the $1 million question.
No, don't.
Okay, I'm bleeping that out.
You have to.
Joking, teasing. When are you gonna propose? Not to me. I just would like to make it clear that he's proposing to someone else. I just want to be the best man. That's actually really solid.
Hi guys, meet my new friend, his name is Rehan. Hello Kanu.
Hi, I should be
Welcome to the vlog.
You know,
I don't think you've ever been in the vlog.
I probably have. I've never been there before.
No.
Okay, well, it's good to be here. Hello to your fans, which will soon become my fans. I'm under a lot of stress at the moment. I came here to main campus to see all of you, but I really should be studying for my anatomy test on Monday.
Thank you, Khan.
And I was about to leave, I was ready to leave, and then you guys suggested that we should have supper. And I can't really say no to that.
Supper at like 4 o'clock.
Whatever meal we're going to have at this time. So I couldn't turn that down. So I think it's a good idea to go for supper.
Yeah. Doesn't it look beautiful?
Why is it like squiggly squiggly? What?
Pose! Like you're almost falling over.
Okay, anyways guys, I just wanted to say that Uthman is now a love doctor. If you ever need to find your soulmate, hit up Uthman. Uti_10_Stark and he'll find you your soulmate.
Absolutely.
Yeah.